was a very interesting workshop. I think during my inaugural address to NISPER, I talked about connecting the unconnected. Actually, that what is the role of NISPER? So the role of NISPER, the way I view it, is a platform where you can bring in different stakeholders, especially when you're talking of science policy, science communication, and taking the science to the masses. I think normally you will not see people, either there are scientists or there is industry. There's some interaction, but never really extensive interaction. And one of the challenges for CSR or for any scientific community is we develop technologies, they are good, but it never reaches the intended stakeholders. The last mile connectivity is a big issue, and there may be multiple factors for that. So I think this kind of interaction with grassroots workers or with the with the industry, with the MSMEs, with the scientific community, that's a very important platform. And I'm really glad that NISPER has taken this initiative to actually bring all these people together.
After all, in the sense of organization, work together, that is success. To come together, think together, to take the decision together and then work together. These are the 4 steps how to get the success in the social working in the society.
Vibhavani and the CSIR institution coming together is itself unique, because that means that the multiple stakeholders who have unique strengths are coming together to make a change.
In this workshop, we are presenting about 9 CSIR technologies which could be taken up for the deployment and the benefit of the identified user. And some proposals we received from UBA institutions, higher education institutions all over the country. We have also invited them for presentations. And then Vibhavani stakeholders are also going to present. So in all, around 17 presentations we are going to have during this, after this session. The whole day is for the presentations only. So this is the basic agenda.
This is a great day where all the stakeholders of societal development, whether it is from technology, whether it is from implementing organizations on the grassroots, and of course the corporate social responsibility from the corporate sector, is joining hands to see that our development is actually reflecting to the aspirations of the common man. So this is the wider objective, how we can take the strength of each segment so that we can work together and solve some of the issues of the society.
तो विकसित भारत यानी क्या होना चाहिए, ये सभी लोगों के मन में कई बार कुछ आइडियाज़ आती है, संशय आता है। तो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट एक और स्टेटमेंट हम बार बार कहते हैं, वो है अंत्योदय। यदि हम लोगों को जहाँ भी, जितने दूर दराज जगह में, नागालैंड के कोने में हो, यहाँ मैंने देखा असम से आए थे और जम्मू कश्मीर से आए हैं, कोई और भी रिमोटेस्ट पॉसिबल प्लेस से आए हुए हैं, तो वहाँ कोने कोने के हर गांव तक जब तक जो हम डेवलपमेंट इंडाइसेस बोलते हैं वहाँ तक नहीं पहुँचता है, तब तक भारत विकसित माना नहीं जाएगा।